Tenses are grammatical forms that indicate the time of an action or state. English has three primary tenses: past, present, and future. Each can be further divided into simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous form. Here is an overview. Present tense. Present tense describe habitual action or general truth. Example, I climb rock every weekend. Present continuous describes action happening now or ongoing. Example, I am climbing a rock wall right now. Present perfect describes action completed at the unspecified time or continuing up to now. Example, I have climbed that mountain before. Simple past and describe an action completed in the past. Example, I climbed a rock yesterday. Past continuous describe an action that were ongoing in the past. Example, I was climbing when it started to rain. Past perfect describe an action completed before another past action. Example, I had climbed several routes before the storm hit. Past perfect continuous describe actions that were ongoing before another past action. Example, I had been climbing for hours before I took a break. Next one is future tense. Simple future describe an action that will happen in the future. Example, I will climb a new route tomorrow. Future continuous describe action that will be going at the specific time in the future. Example, I will be climb at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Future perfect describe an action that will be completed before a specific future time. Example, I will have climbed 3 routes by lunchtime. Future perfect tense describe action ongoing until a future point. Example, I will have been climbing for 2 hours by the time you arrive.